Hi, I'm Jason Turner, Vice President, co-founder of PowerShades. We're here at CEDIA 2022 in Dallas, Texas. We're here showing off all of the new products, new shades, all of our PoE motor, industry-only true power over Ethernet motor for window coverings. We've got all of our outdoor shades here on display. We have different window shades. We're showing off our product ordering portal. Showing off the new hardware kits, the new fabric books, really showing off all the new product that we're doing here for the CEDIA show. Better light gaps, stronger hardware, more fabric offerings, really just showing it all. We've had a great showing so far here at CEDIA. We hope for you to come see us on our website at powershades.com and have a great 2022.